We're in someone's backyard. Notice, the birds are enjoying the yard, but not making a mess of the pool. They say it could be because of the metal bird. Their old metal bird was looking like a dead whale, so we made a new one. And now we can show you how to make one too. To do this, grab a couple of sticks, a pool noodle, some tape, a little string, some aluminum foil, some more aluminum foil, and a knife will be coming in handy. Doesn't have to be a work of art, but you want to use a pool noodle or something very light so that it can twist in the wind. They call it the metal bird. It may work in your garden too. Cut it in some semblance of a bird. An old pool noodle would be just fine. Might as well make it look like wings. But the important thing is the aluminum foil may be the real trick. Because birds may be afraid of robotic looking birds. And if possible, make it look like the fake bird is screaming for vengeance. Doesn't have to be super durable, just enough to hold it together for a few seasons before you have to make another one. Tie your string on before the aluminum foil so that you can not have to fuss with the aluminum foil afterward. This one will need a little more aluminum foil, and I'll use some tape to keep that in place. And then it's ready to hang and scare the birds away.